To customize the brand, you need to go under Owner Settings, Brand Settings. Once here, you're going to see that you have a dark logo, a light logo, your browser icons, public site brand colors, and the portal colors. The dark logo that you upload here will be used on your estimates, on your login page, and in communications. It's important that you upload a high enough resolution graphic here that can be used on a printable form. If it's too low, you'll know it right away as it will show up very blurry right here. The light logo is your version of the logo that we can use on colored or dark grounds. This needs to be a white logo with a transparent background. When I click and drag on this, you can see that the background is transparent. The browser icon has to be a perfect square graphically. That means that the actual physical dimensions need to be equal in both width and height. If you try to upload a graphic that is not equal in width and height, it will be rejected by the system. These logos are used here in the browser to show your favicon, as it's called, or your browser icon. It is also used as the graphic that is placed on your phone when you add a shortcut to the application on the home screen of your phone or tablet. Public site brand colors are for those who have a website hosted through the system. For those of you who have that, you can add colors here that will be available to you to select within the pages for like your navigation, link colors, and so on. The portal colors are what allow you to customize the look and feel of the portal to better match your brand. In general, we will tell you to set the primary group colors to those that best represent your primary brand color. The info, success, and warning and danger color groups are really a complementary set of colors to your primary brand. These are used by the system whenever we display information, whenever things are successful or are going to cause a successful action. The warning is whenever we show information that could potentially have a negative effect or has additional effects that you need to be made aware of. And danger is whenever things fail or errors occur. When looking at these colors in their group, we have the background color, which typically applies to things like the buttons, like we see up here with the clock in. Text color, which is the color of your headings or the color of your links. And then primary reverse color, which is the color that is used anytime we have a graphic or text that needs to appear on top of your background color. Again, this is a great example over here on the left-hand side where we can see clock in is being applied. If I were to choose a color that does not have enough contrast to my primary color or my background color, which I can do by clicking in here, and if I choose a color like this and click update, and then I refresh my browser to apply the effects, I can see that clock in up here is now very difficult to see. So I can correct this or change the color by clicking on the color and moving it to the value that I want. For these colors, you may have received color codes from your designer or from your brand specialist, or you may just see something that you like and you want to use it. When you click on the color like we've seen before, you can change the type of color that you're inputting here by selecting hex, HSL, which is hue, saturation, lightness, or RGB. Whichever number you need to put in, you can select on the value here and be able to type in the values that belong to it and click on update. If you choose a random color or a different value up in here, I highly suggest that after you select that custom color, you double click on its value here, right click, and copy it. That way you can paste it in for your other colors that you need to update as well. And that's how you customize the system. Be sure to keep all your colors contrasty and readable, and make the colors harmonious with one another. And that's it. Enjoy.